Hello students. Now today we are going to start the problem related to the first topic of the instrument, which is of a paper number 1. Okay. As we have studied the CRO, we have studied the function of CRT, we have studied the function generator, and we have studied the DMM, digital multimeter. So these are the problems related to the CRO and the CRT. So we are going to start the first number problem. The sensitivity, the deflection sensitivity of the CRT is a 0.03 mm per volt. The unknown voltage applied to the X plate causes the deflection of the spot, that is 3 mm horizontally. Find the value of unknown voltage. Okay students, this is given to you as per when we have studied the CRO and the CRT, we have got one formula. Okay, that formula is of a spot shift. Spot shift is equal to deflection sensitivity, deflection sensitivity, deflection sensitivity multiplied by applied voltage. Okay students, so this was the formula which we have got while studying. So what will be the value? You have the applied voltage, you have the spot shift, and you have the deflection sensitivity. From this particular three given thing, okay, three given, you have the deflection of the spot is 3 mm and the deflection sensitivity of the CRT is 0.03 mm per volt. Okay, so what we have to find out? Find out the value of the unknown voltage. Means we are going to find out the value for the applied voltage. Means the applied voltage will be is equal to spot shift divided by deflection sensitivity. Okay students, the spot shift for this, it is given as a 0, the deflection spot it is a 3 mm, and the deflection sensitivity it is given as 0.03 mm per volt. So the spot shift it is 3 mm, so we will write down directly 3 divided by deflection sensitivity it is 0.03 mm per volt, it is 3 mm, and since you will get the value 3 mm and 0.03, if you divide this one you will be getting the value, that is 100 volt. Okay, since from this you may say that the value of the unknown voltage means the applied voltage it is 100 volt. Okay, this was the first problem. Then the second number problem, the spot in a CRO is shifted upward to the 4 centimeter when the 10 volt DC is applied to the vertical input. Find the maximum displacement of the spot when a 7 volt AC is applied to the vertical input. Okay students, so it is given the spot. What will be the value for this one? For a 10 volt DC, for 10 volt DC, you have that particular peak value. The solution you have to write down. Peak value. The displacement is of a 4 centimeter. Displacement of 4 centimeter. Find the maximum displacement of the spot when a 7 volt AC is applied to the vertical input. Okay, so since the peak value which you will be getting for the 7 volt AC, peak value for 7 volt AC, for this particular 7 volt AC we will get the value, and that value it is nothing but it is 7 into 1.414 is equal to, you will be getting 9.28 volt. Okay, So the peak value for the 7 volt AC, it is 9.28 volt. Since you have got the displacement is equal to 9.28 multiplied by this 4 divided by 10 is equal to, if you multiply this one, you will be getting 32, 22, then 12, 8, and this one. So at the end you will be obtaining the value 3.95 centimeter. Okay, so this much is the displacement which will be getting, it is 3.95 centimeter. And next we will getting the peak to peak value, that is peak to peak value or a displacement. It is 2 into 3.95, so you will be getting 10, then 18, 6 and 7, 7.80 centimeter. Okay, so this is the peak to peak displacement which you will be getting, that is 7.80 centimeter. The next problem, you have the unknown AC voltage is fed to the vertical input of the CRO. The voltage per division knob is of a 0.2 per division position. The vertical peak of the peak distance of the waveform is 5 divisions. Okay, and the time based knob is of a 50 microsecond per division. The horizontal spread of the waveform is of an 8 division. Find the peak to peak voltage and the frequency of the applied signal. So this much is the value which is assigned to you. The vertical division knob is of 0.2 volt per division. At this position the vertical per division knob is present, and the vertical peak to peak distance of the waveform is 5 divisions. Okay, so you have this one. Suppose this is the wave. So this is the wave. You have this particular voltage division knob. This much is the voltage plus Vm minus Vm. You will be getting the VPP value. So from here to here, for obtaining this one, the knob which was set by the CRO, it is 0.2 volt per division, and that's why we have got this particular wave like this. Okay, so from here to here you will be getting the 5 divisions. According to that particular 5 division we will make the value. Here the peak to peak voltage solution, peak to peak voltage is equal to volt per division multiplied by number of division present on CR. So the voltage per division, it is 0.2, it is 0.2 volt per division multiplied by number of division. What will be the number of the division given in here? It is 5 division. So 5, you will be getting the value, that is 1 volt. Okay, so it is a peak to peak value. Next the time period. Second, this is the time which you will be getting. So from here to here, first we have to mark what is the number of divisions present on this particular CRT screen, and what is the knob. At that position you are getting the waves. Okay, so here the time period is equal to time per division multiplied by number of horizontal division. So the time per division, it is given by 50 microsecond. So 50 into 10 raised to power minus 6 second multiplied by number of horizontal division, it is given by 8. Okay, so 8 is equal to, it is 40 means 0.4, and then you will be getting the 400 microsecond. 400 multiply by 10 to the power minus 6 second. Okay, so you will be getting this one value, and then at the end you will be getting the frequency, that is f is equal to 1 upon t. So 1 upon 400 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6, you will be obtaining the value, that is, here we will be getting this value, and then you will be obtaining 2.5 kilohertz. Okay, here we can do that, this one, if you convert that value into the millisecond, then you will be getting 0.4 millisecond. Okay, this 0.4 millisecond you may directly put here also. So instead of using this 10 to the power minus 6, you will be getting that value 0.4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 second. So, or we will be write down, or 1 divided by 0.4 millisecond multiply by 10 to the power minus 3, again the same thing you will be getting, that is 2.5. Okay, 2.5 kilohertz if it will be get converted. Okay, the next problem, it is same as that of the up problem. The unknown AC voltage is applied to that particular vertical, okay, in the input of the CRO. The input voltage knob is at a position number 2 volt per division. The vertical peak to peak distance of the waveform is of a 4 division, and the time based knob is of a 10 micro per division. The horizontal speed of the waveform is of a 10 division. Find the peak to peak voltage and the frequency of the applied frequency, okay, of the applied that particular it is a frequency, it is a signal, it is a signal. So again the same thing, if you have this particular wave, okay, so this is the time, and this is the particular VPP you are going to calculate out calculation. So again the same thing, you have to write down the solution you will be getting. You have peak to peak voltage, that is VPP is equal to, you will be getting volt per division multiplied by this one number of division is equal to volt per division. What will be the value for that particular? You have that particular volt per division, it is of a 2 volt per division. So 2 multiplied by number of divisions, it is 4. So you will be getting 2 into 4, it is 8. It is 8 volt. Okay, so the peak to peak voltage you have got the 8. Then you will be getting the time per division. Okay, so the time per division value. So the time value we will be getting the time per division multiplied by number of horizontal division present on CRO is equal to, so the time per division you will be getting, that is 10 raised to power, this is a 10 microsecond, means it is 10 raised to power minus 6 multiplied by number of the horizontal division, it is 10. So you will be getting the 100 into 10 raised to power minus 6 second. Okay, then after the f value, f is equal to 1 upon t, so 1 divided by 100 into 10 raised to power minus 6. So at the end you will be getting the, if it will be get up, then 10 raised to power 6 will be get offered, and since after calculation you will be getting the value, that is 10 kilohertz. Okay, so this much is the frequency is required. Okay, next we will see the CRO has a deflection sensitivity. Okay, the CRO has a deflection sensitivity of a 0.5 centimeter per volt. Find the maximum shift of the spot when the time base voltage of the amplitude is 2.5 volt is applied to the horizontal deflection plate. If the time per division knob is set at a 2 millisecond per second, how much time does the shift represent? So the CRO is the deflection sensitivity of 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so what will be the spot deflection? You will getting the spot deflection, that is a spot of one particular thing, that is a spot deflection. Spot deflection is equal to the CRT deflection, it is 0.5 centimeter per volt, and find the maximum shift of the spot. We are going to find out this one shift of the spot. So 0.5 multiplied by what is the applied voltage, it is 2.5, it will be 2.5. So 0.5 into 2.5, you will be getting here 1.25 centimeter. Okay, this much of the spot is being get deflected, and then what will be the value? You will be getting the value that is of a time. Then you will be finding the time. So at that particular time, the spot deflection, the scale how much the time does this, the scale is being set at 2 millisecond. So you will be getting 2 millisecond. At that particular instant, the value, it is of a, this one 1.25, it means that 1.25 multiplied by 2, you will be getting 10, then 5.2, 2.50. Okay, so this much is the millisecond, required for this particular time. The next problem, it is 20 volt DC is applied. If you are going to apply this particular 20 volt DC, then what, the spot moves 1 centimeter away from the center, the 20 volt DC is applied, what is the displacement? Okay, so this much, if the voltage has been given to you, the vertical deflection plate is of that particular CRT, the spot moves of a 1 centimeter away from the center, then the 20 volt DC is applied, what will be the displacement? We are going to find out the displacement. So for finding this particular displacement, you have the value. First you have to write down what is the way for a AC, peak to peak voltage, peak to peak value or voltage you may write down, is indicated, hence the displacement of the spot will be given by peak to peak value of AC multiplied by deflection on CRO. Okay, so peak to peak of that particular AC multiplied by deflection on the CRO, you will be getting. So at that particular instant, you have directly this 20 volt and the 1 centimeter you are getting. So at this one, you will be saying that you will obtain 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by root 2, means Vm sine. Okay, so you will be getting the root 2 value, in bracket you will be finding 1 by 20. So 2 into this one, 20 into 1.41 multiplied by 0.05. so here if you make all the multiplication, at the end you will be getting the value 2.28. okay, so it is a 2.28 centimeter.